In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a staff school calendar using Google Calendar. Whether you're a teacher, administrator, or just someone trying to keep the school schedule organized, setting up a dedicated calendar is a great way to keep everything streamlined and easy to access for everyone involved. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Google Calendar. You can do this by simply navigating to the Google Calendar website. Next, look for the Other Calendars section on the left side of the screen. There you'll see a small plus sign, plus. Click on it. The Other Calendars section is where you can easily view and manage all the various shared calendars you're part of. After clicking the plus sign, a menu will appear with the option to create new calendar. Click on this option. Now you're in the settings to define what your calendar will look like. The first thing you need to do is name your calendar. Choose something descriptive and relevant like school staff calendar. You can also add a brief description that further explains the purpose of the calendar. For instance, you might include a note that this calendar will track staff meetings, holidays, and professional development days. Once you've set the name and description to your liking, there's a Create Calendar button that you need to click. After clicking it, give it a moment and your calendar will be created. Once it's ready, locate and click on the name of the calendar you just made. This will take you to a page where you can adjust settings specific to this new calendar. Now scroll down to the Access Permissions for Events section. If you intend for the calendar to be widely accessible, check the box for Make Available to Public. You might see a warning dialog box pop up when you do this, just click OK to confirm. After that, you'll have the option to click on a drop down menu next to Make Available to Public. This is where you can decide your visibility settings. Choose between See Only Free/Busy or Hide Details, or See All Event Details based on how much information you want to be publicly accessible. To share the calendar, click on Get Shareable Link and copy this link so you can send it to others easily. Alternatively, you can also go to the Shared With section. Click on Add People and Groups and then you'll be able to enter specific email addresses. Once you input an email, another drop-down will allow you to set permission levels such as See Only Free/Busy, See All Event Details, make changes to events, or make changes and manage sharing. Finally, after setting permissions, click on Send to share the calendar with the selected contacts. And that's it, you've successfully created and set up a staff school calendar on Google Calendar tailored to meet your school's organisational needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope these steps make managing your school's schedule a breeze.